Okay, so I'm done now and I've hung it back. Yep. So that's it, showing me all I have to do for the weekend. And yes, let me get on with them. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so it's Saturday and I have a lot to do this weekend. And so when I have a lot of to dos, most times I come into the kitchen, okay, and I reach out for my, yeah, this is still in week 4, but I've been tracking all of my week 5. Don't mind me. That's just because I wanted to use the new. Mommy, yes, please. I want my ball. Okay, I'm going to get it for you. Give me a minute. Okay, that's because I want to use the new. I did the new. I did a separate February tracker, and it has a particular design that I wanted. So that's why I have not changed this because. Okay, so that's why I haven't changed that. And anyways, I'll be doing that today because that's part of my to-do list is to go out and print some print out a lot of printouts. A lot of things that needs to be printed out so that I can, fill up my week 5 and then try to get on with my week 6. Okay, so I'm just going to bring up. So I have a separate. All right, so I've finished working on it, and let me just do the final weekend of there. That's it. Weekend of week 5. So because I'm not in my office, I don't have a lot of my colored pens, just this one. So I used it for that. So I'm just going to highlight this so that I can see it. I'm just going to highlight them. So I have there read a book, and yeah, that's just what I'm currently reading. Birds, Birds Blossom and Bloom by Tani O Ifediora. Okay, so I have there for read a book. Then I need to finish that book. I need to finish it. Like I'm behind schedule in my reading, with my reading goals. Then I have movies. I need to catch up with some of my favorite series on my laptop. Then I need to watch Mr. and Mrs. Rivers on YouTube. Somebody recommended that on Instagram, and I want to check it out. Then I have home learning with Kevin. I have home learning with Kevin there. So for this home learning, it extends to Monday since we're doing sit at home here in the southeast. So whatever we don't get to achieve over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I take it into Monday. Yeah, so I just wrote down all the things we need to do for home learning. We are finishing up with identity. Identity study has been on that board for the longest time since week 2. So we need to be done with it, and I need to put up something else. Then we'll do some craft activity. Then we'll continue our lesson on obedience. We are actually learning on obedience. I need to put up the first. I need to put up. We actually recorded the first lessons. The first time we had a lesson on obedience. So we need to continue on that lesson. Then I have for the fourth one, prepare for week 6. Very important. Very important. Even though I'm trying to move my planning for the week. I'm trying to move it to Friday. I'm trying to move it to something I do on Friday so that when Kevin is in school, I have that time to just plan. I want to plan for it on Friday. Yeah, so that if I don't do it on Friday, I want to start. I want to start. I want the reminder to start notifying me on Friday, so that by Sunday I get it done. I don't want to leave it for just the weekend. Because if I don't do it over the weekend, then it already falls into the next week. So for prepare for week 6, which is usually the thing I do, is iron, Kevin's uniform and our church outfits, just church outfit and any other outfit I know that I'll be wearing during the week that needs ironing. I just do them there and then clean all his shoes. plan out week 6 on paper for myself and Vicky Fresh Dynasty. So I'm planning for myself that is the things I have going on for me, my school, my business, and then the home front. Okay. So the meal prep. Okay. So yeah, I don't really the meal prep I have to do this weekend is just because I have some vegetables in the fridge that needs to I need to do something with it. I was supposed to use it for fried rice during the week, but we ended up not eating that fried rice, and so the vegetables have just been there, so I need to use them up. Yeah, so I need to think of something. I don't want it to be rice because I have some leftover rice in the fridge. So yeah, I'm thinking of making a sauce. I don't know yet. So that vegetable needs to be cleared out. So that's the cabbage, carrot, and whatnot. Then okay, I need to make cake. Kevin has been asking for cake for the longest time. We need to make cake. So if I can do those two things for meal prep, I think I'll be good. I still have soup. I still have stew sauce. I still have cooked beans in the freezer. Yep. Then the next one is network and connect. So for weekends, I like to network. So yeah, the week, you know, may have been so busy and then maybe have not having time to reach out to a lot of people. So I use that. So one of the first things I'm doing with network and connect is connecting. Is fellowship with brethren, and that's church. Then make some calls if I've not heard from you from the longest time or something. Then socials, yeah, just get on socials and know what is happening. I do that on weekends. Um, then chat up with friends, family. Then market my products and events. This is what's happening for Connect and Network. Then the last one is create. So I try to just create some craft pieces for the package life craft for my online craft store. So yeah, this is just me. I fixed out what I have to do this weekend. Okay, I didn't put one essential thing here, which is printing out. This to-do list is not complete because this to-do list I try to mix up everything I have to do. Like I said, some things are not featuring here, and it's very important that they do. So I'm going to fix it here. I brought out a sticky note, and I'm just going to put them down there, right? Yeah. Mm, okay. I don't want the ear to close up, and I also don't want this on top. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm just going to put up there now. I need to print out. I need to go print out. There's some things I need to do. Errands. Yeah, I think I missed that. What did I do? Let me see. Okay, so I missed out on some things, right? And I'll just put them there. The first one is errands print out. I need to print out. I need to print out some documents. Yeah, so that's it. Print out. The second one is salon appointment. So my hair is due. Yeah, salon appointment. And the third one is Oh, sorry, I'm not even. So that's it. Print out, salon appointments, then cleaning routine. Cleaning routine and laundry. Okay, so these are the things I didn't include. Yeah, my hair is due, so I need to do my hair. Then I'm going to be printing out some things. I will indicate them here eventually. The things I need to print out. I think there are about two or three. Then for salon appointments, what I need done. Thank God that Precious giving Kevin a haircut already, so Kevin is good. I'm the one who needs to do my hair and my nails, maybe, and my nails. So hair, nails, yeah, hair and nails. Then cleaning routine and laundry. So okay, I'm going to sketch that ball, Kevin. So this is all I have going on. Yeah, let's get on with the day. Okay, so I'm done now and I've hung it back. Yep. So that's it, showing me all I have to do for the weekend. And yes, let me get on with them. Updates. What have I done from what I'm supposed to do? I had to make the bed and just soak some laundry. Yeah, we soak laundry. If you're Nigerian, you know what I'm talking about. Or if you live in Nigeria. Okay, yeah. So I've soaked some laundry so that I can get done with that. I'm going to use the washing machine when I'm ready to wash them. But after, yeah, like I said, after breakfast, I was supposed to work, yes, put some hours into work. By the time I started working, I realized that I had a lot more, a lot of things to do. So what I decided to do was to go freshen up. So we freshen up, dressed up, and I'm going to take out my cornrows. So while taking out my cornrows, I'll continue working there in the salon so that by the time I'm done working, I can now head out to go print out what I need to print out, then stop two errands I need to stop and do. Then we'll come back home and continue with our day. So keep watching. So right now we're trying to take off our the goal for lessons on obedience, and yes, we actually have this Bible setting in a serving tree. And the goal is to say that man shall not live by bread alone. Okay, so that's the book we're using, Raising God Fearing Kids by Gift O, right? So we just started, we're still in chapter 1, and yeah, we're Bible lesson on obedience. So here we just get on with it. Okay, at this point I'd finished the lesson and Kevin is working on an activity. I asked him to write out obedience. Yes, see some highlighted some highlighted portions from our reading. Yes, we're done with that now. We read the Bible. We read Ephesians, the book of Ephesians, chapter 6 and verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Okay, now Kevin is done with his activity, and I'm just here giving him a high five for doing a good job. We're going to be using that activity for his good child vision board, the good child vision board, the good Kevin vision board. Okay, so let me get on with what I have to do. Yep, the gas cooker is clean and now sparkling. And right here is my pot of zobo and the pasta I made for lunch. Okay, so get to see my pretty face again.
Hello, guys. So it's 2 days afterwards, like since I'm picking up this camera again because I have to come and end the vlog. Okay, so you've seen, where do I even start from? Okay, so yes, I did achieve this. I took out the cornrows, but I didn't get to wash this hair in the salon. I had to. They just packed it like that for me, and I'm sure yes, the picture of us in at the mall eating on Saturday, you could see that the hair was still rough. So I washed this hair yesterday on Sunday. Today is Monday, by the way, so that's why I said 2 days. That's 2 days. Throughout Sunday, I did not vlog. I just focused on the house chores and what I needed to do at home because I couldn't attend church. So I just had to make sure that I focused on what I needed to do at home. Today is Monday, and is a sit at home here in the southeast. So, like I was saying initially when I was writing down those goals, that sometimes it shoots into Monday, And yeah, I've pretty much done a lot this morning, ironing, cleaning the gas cooker, meal prepping. So I didn't get to bake the cake, but at least I made zobo, so that's a good one for me for meal prep. Then the vegetables in the fridge, I'd just bring them out, prepare them in a way that they are prepped, for use. Then use some for the pasta that you just saw, which we're going to use now to have, which we're going to be eating now for lunch. So yes, guys, I hope I could still do a little video to add up, to just show you to tick the things I was able to do on that weekly weekend goals, so you can see. But yeah, this is typically what my weekend looks like. Some weekends, for me. Uh, like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of vlog, do let me know in the comment section if you want to see, if you want to see me vlog, my week, my a day in my life, a week in my life, or weekend vlogs like this. Let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If you watch up to this point, it means you liked the video, okay? So yes, please try give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.